So we have 1.5 million pounds in our balance. We have to pick 15 players. So first of all, we have to look at the fixture, and there is the fixture. We have to look at we have to go all the way down here. We can see the teams who have the doubles: Birmingham, Kent, Worcestershire, Sussex, Northampton, Middlesex, Yorkshire, Gloucester, Glamorgan, Durham. These are the teams that have double players. We can come here and we can choose so many items. Let's come to here. Birmingham means if we pick a player from these teams, we can get two matches from them. It's better to pick the double match teams, players from them. You can see each of the players have two matches. Now it's gonna be very easy. We just have to pick some players. Let's pick Rashid Khan. Let's pick Ben Stokes. Moeen Ali. Shaheen Afridi. Adil Rashid. Finn Allen. These are all expensive players, but we have to look at our budget also. We have 650,000 pounds left in our budget. Like Labuschagne. Yeah, we have picked few more. Now we have 9 players. So let's pick two more. David Villa, David Milan. So I have reached maximum players from Yorkshire. I have to choose another team because I can only get 3 players from each teams. Let's get Adam Lyth. He is also a Yorkshire player. I can get him. Let's get Seifert. Now we have 11 players picked. Let's look at our squad. So this is how our squad looks like. We have 11 players, but we have to pick 4 more. I will just show you how 11 will look like. We have 3 batsmen here. We have 3 batsmen and 1 wicket keeper. And in this spot, we can pick either a batsman or an all-rounder. A team must have 1 wicket keeper, 3 batsmen, and 3 bowler. And on these 2 spots, either it could be all-rounder or batsman, or this one, all-rounder or bowler. In these spots, we can pick batsman or wicket keeper. It's the same thing. So let's start picking the team. Ingram, Allen, Seifert. We need a wicket keeper. And well, we don't have another batsman. Okay, let's pick the all-rounders. Ben Stokes, Moeen Ali, Shane, David Willey. Yeah, we have picked our all-rounders, and still there is one more spot left. We can substitute him. One more slot left. That is Munro. So Munro doesn't get team. We will pick Rashid Khan, Shaheen Shah Afridi, Adil Rashid. That means we have one more spot left, and we can't get anybody. That means we have to let go Colin Munro. Let's release him, and we will look for a batsman. So let's go back to the players. Let's get a batsman. Let's pick the filters. Let's pick the batsman. Or wicket keeper, doesn't really matter. Yeah, we can see the batsman and the all-round wicket keepers are there. There are so many batsmen. Let's go with Glenn Phillips or Sam Billings. Let's get Sam Billings. Okay, now we go back to the squad and we come here. Sam Billings. So that's it. Now we need to choose a captain. Well, our captain will be Moeen Ali, will be our captain, and our vice captain will be Ben Stokes. So that's it. We have the 11 players. This is our team, and we have 4 more players. Let's go to the squad. Let's go to the players. Now we have 80,000. That means we have to get someone else. Affordable. Let's pick the low points players. Let's just pick them the low price players so that we can afford the high price players. It's a strategy. We have to get one of the expensive players out. Let's release him. Let's buy all the. low price players. Now we have picked all the low price players. Now whatever price we have, we can choose an affordable player. Let's look at our team. Let's pick Howell. That means we have one spot left and we have to pick bowler. We have some low price bowlers. Okay, now we are set. We have the low price bowler. Yeah, that's it. Now that means this is our team. This is how we're gonna get. And yeah, this is your team, or you can auto pick your team if you think it's too much work for you. Yeah, so basic strategies I have picked four low price players who might not play, but they will give you the option to pick the high price and high performing players. Once the players are locked, you can change the team after the game week. Game week starts from 25th of May and it finishes on 27th of May. And in the next game week, you will have different sort of teams and players have double and single matches. So that's pretty much it. You can create your own league. You can follow the Cricket Draft on Twitter. They have so much reviews and previews coming up. So that's it. You can try your team. It's much easier